doing some witchcraft. This is modern day witchcraft. Which voice should I do? Should I do voice 1 today? And I was like, okay, everybody, I don't want nothing for my birthday. Just give me some money. Nobody fell in line. Like, I was here to see this. Hey. Hey. How y'all doing? Let me stop playing with y'all. So, my name is, let me give y'all an introduction, because I noticed that I do be saying, I be like, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I seen somebody on TikTok and he was like, y'all need to stop the hey y'all. And they be dragging it. Because y'all really, I gotta scoot back a little bit. Yes, y'all, I got a desk now. But that's not why we're here. That's not why we're here. I'm gonna talk to y'all about that and later. I don't know. Y'all don't even care. Y'all don't even know who. Y'all don't even give a fuck. Y'all is here to see this. This is my boy right here. I forgot to do my transition. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm building my channel off realness. I want to build a community and a group of people off of realness. So I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna be very transparent. So yeah. So now, what do y'all think is in here? Take y'all comment down below. Like, what do y'all think? And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Please like, comment, subscribe, y'all. We is trying to really make something out of nothing. So what do y'all really truly think this is? This is my new editing tool. So what is it? What can fit right here? Y'all should know what it is. But okay, so we finna open this up now. And mind y'all, I got this at like 3 because my little brother got off of school at 1 and he was coming home. And not too long ago after he came, this came. So I've been waiting. And then I had this thing. Okay, I'm just not talking. Basically, what I was trying to say is I waited for y'all. I low-key waited for y'all because I wanted to do it. Because at first, this video was not supposed to even be made. I just spontaneously came up with this idea. I was supposed to go downtown, but I'm like, y'all don't give no fuck about no fucking vlogs from me right now. Y'all do not give a fuck. Like, let's be real. Let's be honest with each other. Like, let's be 100%. Like, I'm being 100% with y'all. Like, I'm going to be 100%. So, I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to do it on TikTok. I was going to do a TikTok vlog, TikTok, and tell them come over here, and I was going to do a review of all my other stuff that I got for additionally of this. But now, for the review, I finally got the box open. I was distracting y'all. Y'all need to see. I was trying to distract y'all because I wasn't having trouble, but I kind of was. So, this is my first time seeing it. Y'all. Ooh. Y'all. I got me an iPad. I got me an iPad, y'all. I got me an iPad. Oh my god. Oh my lord, y'all. I got me an iPad. I don't know, y'all. This is kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy because I'm not gonna lie. I actually have an iPad, but it's like an older iPad. Like my grandma gave me that iPad, y'all. Ooh, do y'all want to get some answer? Wait, y'all can hear me, right? Y'all can hear me good? Am I too loud for y'all? But I'm gonna give y'all a little. Do y'all want to ASMR video? I'll give you ASMR video. That was it. That was it. That was it. That was it. Nigga, I thought I was gonna peel. And no, y'all, this is not even before I open the box. This is not a new iPad. This is not no 13-inch iPad Air, 13 11-inch iPad Air. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda wanted one, but a nigga don't got a lot of money. I'm not unlimited money. And I was like, I'll go take what I can get. And this iPad is actually, I was doing a compare thing because I'm being honest, I wanted a MacBook. We're gonna get into that too. I really wanted a MacBook, but I was like, hey, I don't have no money for the MacBook right now. I wanted it for my birthday. I really wanted it for my birthday. I didn't tell nobody this, but this is my first time saying it. So, oh wait, let me see. This is ghetto ASMR. Okay, so let's open this. Let's see. Let me see. Oh it, y'all. It's official. Ooh, and I love how it feels. Oh my god, y'all, I gotta give me a case because I actually don't have a case. This how it looks, bro. Okay, I'm finna peel it off for y'all. This is my first time doing this, y'all. Y'all bear with me. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Hopefully it's charged. Is it charged, nigga? Is you charged? Nigga, is you charged? You better be fully charged. Y'all, I bought this on my own. Like, nobody helped me write. I bought this on my own, y'all. I have a, yeah, and it's the air, so it's like it's really thin. It's thin as hell. Hello. I don't know why y'all so geeked. I'm geeked because I'm geeked. Wait, go back to English. English. Oh shit. Don't it. If you swipe up on the thing on the wrong thing, do it matter what I swipe up on? Okay, it don't matter. It literally says it right here. It don't matter. So I'm gonna just set up I'm gonna set up the stuff now, and I think I'm gonna be back when I get done setting it up because y'all don't need to sit here and set it up with me. I'm gonna be 100% with y'all, and I need to see if how this video looking so far. So yes, y'all, we're gonna be back when I get done setting it up all the way and all the other stuff, and then after that, I'm gonna show y'all my stuff that I got for it, like the accessories and stuff that I got for it, because I'm a prepared ass nigga. I come prepared. Now I'm like updating stuff, doing like the transfer stuff. But y'all, why? I might go back. Should I? Make this year. So y'all, I had to focus real quick. So Apple raw as hell. I just had to. I like took the picture. I put the thing up to the thing, and it had like a little circle, and it transferred. I'm like, hold on, Apple, y'all. I'm telling y'all right now, this is modern technology. Is modern day witchcraft. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really happy. I'm really actually happy. Like I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Didn't transfer anything. Let's see. Should I transfer my Cause I look you don't want to. I guess I can, but I'm saying, should I transfer? I'm gonna just transfer it from my iCloud backup because I didn't really want to. If you restore this iPad from a settings will not be settings will not be restored. You know what? Fuck it. Hopefully they got all my data. Hopefully they got all my. I think they got. I don't. I shouldn't have to back it up. Oh, you know what? I'm just do what I gotta do. Just do what I gotta do. I'm just doing it. If I wanted to change it at the end, I really can't. So yes, yeah. Customize. How can I customize this? Update your automatically. Set up later. Not that I'm talking about something. Okay, Apple. Y'all talking about my card. Why do I need my card on here? I got my card on my phone. I do not need how why do this have a wallet? I'm confused. Why do this have a wallet? Can you tap your iPad? Y'all, can y'all tap your iPad? Invalid card information. Okay, I'm gonna do that later because I'm pretty sure I put the. I don't know, bro. They kind of irritated me a little bit because they. This is what I really wanted. This is what I really. I just really kind of want the Apple to do this. Look, yeah, I just. Oh my god, y'all. I don't know how to feel right now. I'm really happy, and I say this is going to be what I'm going to edit on, y'all. I'm going to be editing heavily on this. I just needed a bigger. That's really. I'm not gonna say that's why I got it because I did want an iPad. Originally, I wanted a MacBook, like I said. I wanted the MacBook for my birthday, and nobody fell in line. Like I had some money saved. I had some money put up that would feed into that, and I was like, okay, everybody, just I don't want nothing for my birthday. Just give me some money. When I tell y'all, ain't nobody getting no money but my grandma's. But I was okay with it. I'm like, okay, well then I could just get it myself. I'm just have to wait a little bit longer. And I was like, forget it. I was like, forget it. And then I was like, forget it. I was like, fuck. I was like, really forget it. Oh, well. I gotta put the box. I gotta make me a thumbnail, y'all. I have to lock in. I think so. The thumbnails and the stuff are gonna be on here. I think I'm gonna record on my phone. And where is this camera at? Because I know this camera is not right here. Look at it. Oh my god. Turn. What are they talking about? They just talking about bullshit right now. But okay. Yeah, basically I was saying that I um I wanted a MacBook at first. Then I was like, okay, MacBook, that shit a lot of money. That shit is a lot of money. So I was like, okay, I could do this, or I could really I could get an iPad right now for now, and I would be good with that because I could get another one. Shit, how the economy looking right now? A fucking MacBook's gonna be 3,000 max. They said the next iPhone gonna be $3,000. So how is these? I just had to give me one. I had to give me something. I had to give me something to edit on. Oh, okay, that's what it was. I'm finna back it up. I'm finna back my phone up because this is a whole different iPad. Ain't shit on here that's mine. Ain't nothing on here that's mine, bro. Ain't nothing on here that's mine. This is a damn brand new damn iPad. So yeah. So to further note, here's the accessories that I got for it because I might as well do that now. Wait, no, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I just lied to y'all. I'm not going to the bathroom. I'm just finna see. I'm finna figure this out real quick. Let me stop lying, y'all. See, look, you see, I just caught myself in the live. I'm finna figure this out, get everything transfer over, then I'm gonna show y'all the accessory that I got with the iPad. Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm not gonna lie. I need to flip it. Which voice should I do? Should I do voice one?
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the star.
The colors of the sky fade with
the colors of the sky fade with the settings.
The colors of the sky fade with the settings.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting
I'm
sun.
not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling too.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
I'm feeling two. I'm gonna pick two, y'all. I'm gonna pick two. I'm just pick two. I could change it if I want to. Oh, that was it. Oh, y'all. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I'm sorry, y'all. When Apple Intelligence was announced, I'm not gonna lie. If I would have had some money, I'm not gonna lie. I probably would have bought the 16 damn near just for the Apple Intelligence, y'all. Look how this look. I just look. I'm sorry, y'all. I just love how this look. Like the halo. Oh my god. I can't wait to get my case. I can't wait to get my stuff. See, look, y'all. I bought stickers for the MacBook. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give me a MacBook. I'm gonna give me a MacBook. I'm gonna give me a MacBook. And I bought some stickers for my MacBook. I'm gonna see. I probably put it on here. Yeah, and it's so funny. My sister's like, "What are these for? What are these from?" Like, they're for my they're just stickers I was gonna put on my thing. Y'all look at them. Oh, what was that? My other brother is in there just tearing stuff up. As long as you don't kill yourself, leave me alone. Okay, I gotta back up a little bit, y'all. I'm all in y'all face. Y'all don't want no space. Y'all look at this. Oh, and just the sound, just hey Siri. What's this? Hello, y'all. What time is it? What time is it in Tokyo if I was to get on a plane right now from Chicago and I'm
Here's some info about Chicago.
Don't play with me, Siri. Don't play with me. I didn't ask for that. Well, the question I asked was kind of slow. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know where I was going. I was trying to trick her up, but oh, I think I have to back this up, y'all. Cause why the fuck this shit look? And then I have to get my wallpaper. I actually have this app that I had that I'm gonna do. Let's see, FaceTime. Yeah, where's my camera? Oh, my camera is right. I'm trying to see where the camera at. What the fuck? Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's right here. The other ones got them right here. I was like, that's kind of smart. They should have been did that. They should have been did that. Oh, my friend. Oh, she sent me a video.
Hey, fool. Stop telling me answer the phone.
Man, y'all, I call her back.
Before I kill you. You know I'm crazy. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, Kevin. Answer the phone, Kevin. Answer the phone, Kevin. Answer the phone, Kevin. Answer the fucking phone.
Oh. I'm saving this. This is save. This is evidence. I'm using this. This is actually me on the iPad. Like, this is the video. Because I don't have no storage, y'all. So that's another reason, because I got a lot of storage on this thing. So I'm gonna start putting a lot of my videos, a lot of my stuff. See, look, now I can just use my phone or use my thing or use something. I finally can do that now. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna quickly show out the product. I'm gonna be honest, because this video is getting a little too long. I'm gonna have to edit this down. I gotta be user friendly. I'm very new. I only got 37 subscribers. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm ready to turn up. Is y'all ready to turn up for me? Like, I'm ready to turn up and get it going. I'm ready. I'm reactivated now, y'all. I'm definitely reactivated. So This is this actually what I this actually what I need right now. I need a holder. This is a holder like at my desk, cause I'm really using my desk. This is the holder. And before the video cut out, I was like, this is when Apple really loved us and they really cared about us when this iPad came out, because I got a charger. And you know the stickers that come with it. I'm gonna open that part off camera. I got a screen protector, and I'm gonna be honest, I gotta fix it because the bottom I opened it already. I think this big enough. I think I got the right one, y'all. Y'all think I got the right one? I think I did. Okay, and see, look, y'all. I'm dropping it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, dropping y'all. And then I have an Apple. I have a pencil, but is it an Apple pencil? Yes, it is. It's a black one too. It go exactly with it, even though this is not black. This iPad is gray. So yeah, I got a pencil too. So I'm gonna unbox all this on my TikTok, y'all. So if y'all not following my TikTok, go follow my TikTok, y'all. We just hit 500. 500. Finna hit 6, 7, 8,000. Then we finna go up. We going up from here. It's nothing but love. It's nothing but love and joy and kind. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is the end of the video. Cut the cue the music. Cue the music. Cue the music. Cue the music.